My favorite feature is quite simple. It's the quick document search. It really makes a difference compared to before when we could spend several minutes looking for a document. Now we just type a few keywords and it appears instantly. I'm Adrian Meer, the head of MECANO ID, a small and medium-sized enterprise in the space field that just turned 30 at the end of the year. We are manufacturers who create and provide structural components for equipment suppliers and major players in the aerospace industry, including companies like Airbus, Siemens, Thales, and the whole space ecosystem in France, in Europe, and globally. Historically, MECANO ID has developed products for its customers. Therefore, we used to manage data on a project-by-project basis. Over the past decade, we have been creating our own range of products where managing data and configurations has grown in importance for us. Before Aletiq, a variety of tools were employed, mostly using Excel files that did not connect with one another. We needed to exert a significant amount of effort to maintain a straightforward, current, and tidy status of our product configurations.
The main topic we had was managing CAD models, their traceability, their evolution, and their validation. We had to sign tracking sheets that were used for this purpose. Pass the sheet from hand to hand. With Aletiq, we have everything on the same software, so we can validate the models directly on the software.
MECANO opted for Aletiq as we aim to address our requirements for configuration management and traceability, especially concerning the design phase before production begins. And then there's the downstream aspect related to managing data from both our suppliers and internal production activities. Aletiq had the good taste to cover the whole cycle, as designed and as built, in a simple and functional manner. In fact, we consulted many solution offers. And Aletiq is the solution that most naturally and simply met our needs. Consequently, we sought a solution that combined robustness, simplicity, and scalability, which we naturally discovered at Aletiq.
We chose Aletiq primarily for its simplicity and flexibility in the operation of the PDM PLM compared to other existing software, in which we truly engage with a standard that compels the company to adjust to the software. Here, due to its simplicity, it is truly the software that also adapts to the company's way of working.
Every day, Aletiq helps us manage our documents more efficiently and enables us to locate them much faster. Previously, we worked with a network folder ecosystem, so if we didn't know where the document was, we struggled to find it, but now we locate it very quickly. It assists us in managing all workflows related to documents and gives us a clear overview of the design configuration compared to earlier, and it also aids us in everything related to traceability linked to production, which was the major issue we wanted to address before deploying our product development activities.
All services use Aletiq. As an engineering firm, we have many involved parties, be it with the engineering team, the manufacturing, but also with the quality and the purchasing. So really, everyone has a stone to carry in the workflow, in the document validation, or in the validation of a CAD model. Aletiq has become an essential tool for the evolution of MECANO ID. The deployment of Aletiq at MECANO ID took place in two major phases, let's say. There is really the documentary part where we had to take everything we had on our servers and put it all into Aletiq. This was done quite quickly through mass transfers. The second phase involved CAD, both 3D and 2D, and it was done project by project. It was done gradually and quite simply.
So we really let ourselves be guided by Aletiq's project management, which is a strength in Aletiq's value proposition. Beyond the tool, it's the customer support and deployment. It happened gradually, pinpointing the main themes, splitting them into smaller subjects, and moving ahead. Aletiq has a strong and strict follow-up system. They work on programmatic and technical aspects, addressing issues with the operational teams as soon as they arise. They train, frame the approach, raise topics, and guide, which is a strong asset for change management. And finally, we really followed their lead.
Since I come from CAD, I find the configuration management of articles very appealing. It's true that with just a few clicks, we can easily validate an article, which wasn't possible before without this configuration tool.
My favorite feature is quite simple. It's the quick document search, where you can really see right from the very first moments of Aletiq, one of the tool's power indeed. This truly marks a difference from before, when finding a document could take several minutes. Here, we just type in some keywords and get instant results. But this is only the first step in using Aletiq. The three key words that define Aletiq in my view are simplicity, robustness, and traceability.
In 3 words, I would say rigor, simplicity, and traceability.